So I pointed a little lower now, right? Because I'm on this side?
No, you keep your gun about the same height. You want to bring your gun about 1 to 2 o'clock. Bring it out a little bit more. Out that way.
Wait. 12.
1.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay. Could I just try a
Yeah, sure.
sample? Pull. Okay. Pull.
I think easier is the random direction forces you out
Pull.
of thinking about it. Right.
You roll over top. You're doing good.
Pull.
You were close. I think you may have lifted your head up off the gun.
Oh, darn. So the other one dropped down already, right?
Look up. Watch it come out.
So I'm wondering about being ahead of it. How much? Or is that just not?
Now it's being, I don't know where it's going to be, so I don't know where to tell you to hold it. When you know where it is, I can tell you where you want to be. But now it could be way over there, it could be over here. You just have to swing with it. Don't think.
Okay.
Point. Point and shoot. Watch it come out. Point.
And still point and shoot at it.
Still point and shoot. Well, again, though, you might have to be under it. You might have to be in front of it. This is what the sport's about. Now you got to compensate. So.
Okay. So if it goes straight in front of me, it's the same as when I was over
Pretty
here.
much, yeah.
If it's at the right of me, it's almost dead on, right?
Pretty much,
And
yeah.
if it's on the left, I need to go under. Is that right?
Exactly. You have to basically just swing on the bird. You're thinking. Don't think. Point and shoot. Point and shoot. Watch it come out and move with the bird.
Pull.
Okay, one thing, you're on wait. Ready, say pull. Just block it out and pull the trigger.
Okay. Pull.
See that?
The kick was more than I was expecting.
Well, now you know what to expect.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, you remember what that looked like.
Well, it was pretty quick. I don't know. It was not a lot of thinking. It was just reacting.
Well, don't think. That's what this is. It's instinctive shooting. There is no thinking. You're reacting.
Telling Karl not to think. That's
oh, that's easy. I like that. Okay, take a practice shot again, I guess.
All right. Are you loaded, though?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
But safety's on. Okay, pull. Too high?
Too high.
Okay, pull.
Now remember, these are a little lower. There you go.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
The top again.
Pull. Pull.
Probably shooting behind it.
Yeah. Pull.
All right, Lisa.
You said you gotta get serious.
Pull.
Oh, jeez. I'm telling you to get serious. I'm going to remove my. All right, try it again.
Pull.
Still behind it.
Pull. I got overcorrected.
Stop too fast. Yeah, you stopped your gun on the second one. The first